Aptamil vs Enfamil Formula 2021. It can be a minefield choosing the right formula for your baby. If you've decided not to breastfeed or wish to combine your own milk with baby formula, it's key you look for a brand that's rich in nutrients, high in quality, and great tasting so your baby will be happy to drink it. Doing your own thorough research is a great place to start, but we know how busy new parents can be. That's why our expert moms and dads have scoured the internet, reading through tons of reviews to bring you our honest, open opinions. This guide will take a look at hipp versus Aptamil and Enfamil, pitting them against each other to see which one comes out on top. But it's not really a competition, one brand won't be best for everyone, so we'll weigh up the pros, cons and main features of each one so you can make an informed decision on the best formula for you and your baby. Both of these brands have been chosen as they're some of the biggest names in the baby formula world, and are used by moms and dads all over the world. When choosing your baby formula, it's really important that you study the ingredients list carefully. You want to avoid harmful chemicals, preservatives, and additives which can do serious damage to your baby's fragile body. High-quality baby formula is designed to help with your baby's growth and development, so top-quality ingredients can make all the difference. We hope that by the end of this guide you'll have a better understanding of what's in both Aptamil and Enfamil, so you can pick the one that will best suit yours and your baby's needs. Can I store baby milk in the fridge? Most nutritionists advise not to prepare milk and store it in the fridge. This is because the Department of Health have provided guidelines that suggest bottles should be made fresh as and when your baby needs them, and used within 2 hours. Storing your bottle in the fridge makes it more susceptible to bacteria growth, which can potentially lead to illness.